Hello, my name is Michelle Yates. I am originally from California, relocated to Alabama. I found out about M.E.E.T ministry through my father, Richard Bland. He's been trying to get me to come up here for probably 2 or 3 years. However, I've had some surgeries with my hips and was not able to come. I finally was able to come, and this was the time for me to come. So I arrived here with no expectations at all, just to better my health, reset myself, create a blueprint that I could follow. Since I have been here for 18 days, not only have I received the knowledge, the comfort, the support that I needed to get this information, but the spiritual aspect was great. Since I've been here, my body has started changing. I've noticed different things in my eating, my sleeping, my digestive system, and moving forward, I will be following through with the program that they have created for me. I believe that everyone should come here, whether you are sick or not. If you want to do the 7-day, the 10-day, the 18-day, you should come to reset yourself, because if you've been on this earth longer than 20 years, you need to come here to reset yourself because of all the foods and pollutions and things that we ingest and that are in our atmosphere. You need to reset. And I don't think that I could reset myself by myself without coming here. The staff are amazing. Each one of them have a talent, and together their team makes it just that more enjoyable for you. And being difficult, some of us, we don't want to drink this. I'm not going to say that it was easy. The first week was not easy, but we made it together. And in conclusion, I feel that even if you are on the fence about it, get off the fence, because this will give you the strength physically, mentally, and spiritually that you need to complete this program with yourself. Sometimes people go through this program and then they go home and then they just go back to the same thing. That's where your spirituality comes, because you can pray to get help so that you can keep going. Some people feel like, oh, the juices were nasty, I don't want to do that. But honestly, anything that doesn't taste good is always good for you. I hate to say that. So please think about your health and your well-being and try to come here at least for 7 days. If you can't do 18, at least do 7.